Hello, welcome back to tutorial series of Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. From this video, we will be starting a new series of batch processing. So this is the first video of batch processing. So in this video, we will be discussing about basic concepts and overview of batch processing. So first of all, what is batch job? A batch job is a group of tasks that are submitted to an AOS, means application object server instance, for automatic processing something. Okay, batch jobs are run by using the security credential of the user who created the job. If you want to run tasks such as a printing report or performing some maintenance or sending some electronic document or additional scheduled task, then a batch job is a good approach. Okay, and by using the batch jobs, you can reduce the performance impacts on your computer or server during standard working hours. Batch jobs can run either sequentially or concurrently, all while spreading the workload across all the servers. So if you have multiple servers, you can spread the workload across all the servers. You can create dependencies between tasks as well. So this will allow you to sequence tasks based on the success or failure of the previous task. In additional feature is recurrence pattern for the batch jobs, and this will allow you to schedule the task or the job to run periodically, such as a common maintenance job or processing invoice. To monitor these batch jobs, you can set up alerts. So these are sent when the batch job succeeded or failed or finishes. After the batch job is processed, you can view the history of the batch job, that it executed successfully or it failed or in the finished state, which includes logs and details that were encountered while the job was running. One batch job can be synchronous, it can be asynchronous, it can be reliable asynchronous, and scheduled job or scheduled batch. So we will discuss all these concepts: synchronous, asynchronous, reliable synchronous, or scheduled batch in our later videos in details. If you want to see all the batch jobs, then from the navigation pane you have to go to the system administrator. So here is the system administrator. Just click on this and go to a little bit down, and there you can see the system administrator. And if we'll expand all in the inquiry section, let me collapse again, and then let me click on the inquiries only. So if we'll click on the inquiries, there you can see we have a batch job. So let me click on it to see all the batch jobs that are present in this system. So when we will click on the batch job, it will open a form, batch job form, and here you can see the batch job ID, status is there, okay, and then batch job description is there, schedule date time is there, the batch job is active or not, who created this batch job, who run this actually batch job, in which company it will run, and if there will be any batch group, that will be also shown over here. In the above section, you can see there is a alert, recurrences, batch history. So you can use all these things, and we will explain all these things in later videos. But if you want to see any batch jobs description, so you can click on that one, and you can see regarding that particular batch job. Okay, if any related batch task will be there, it will be shown over here. And primarily from in this top section, you can see the related information for that particular batch job. And if you want to see the batch job history, from here you have to click, and if there will be any log for this particular job, you will be able to see the history in this particular form, batch job history form. Okay, so this is the basic information about the batch job in Dynamics 365 FNO. In the next videos, we'll explore more things about the batch job. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.